Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing about what will happen to the old profits or the old losses that has been accumulated by the old partners. So, the question itself gives the answer. If the profits or the losses belongs to the old partner at the time of reconstitution of the firm, either a partner is coming in or going out, the old partners who earned or made those losses, okay, or profits should divide them. So let's check a very small topic. Adjustment for accumulated profits and losses. Sometimes a firm may have accumulated profits not yet transferred to the capital account of the partners. These are usually in the form of general reserve or profit and loss account. The new partner is not entitled to have any share in such accumulated profits. These are distributed among the partners by transferring it to their capital or current accounts. In old profit sharing ratio, do remember it will be transferred in the old profit sharing ratio. Similarly, if there are some accumulated losses in the form of a debit balance of the P&L account or deferred revenue expenditure appearing in the balance sheet of the firm, it should also be transferred to old partners' capital accounts. Let's check this illustration. Illustration 23. Rajinder and Surinder are partners in a firm sharing profits in the ratio of 4:1. On April 15, 2017, they admit Narendra as a new partner. On that date, there was a balance of rupees 20,000 in the general reserve and a debit balance of 10,000. Debit balance of 10,000 in P&L account means it's a loss. See, credit balance is a profit, debit balance is a loss. Okay. Past necessary journal entries regarding adjustment of accumulate a profit or loss. So, first of all, see, general reserve has a credit balance. Okay, it's a type of profit. So, it's a credit balance. To close this account, what we need to do? We need to debit it. So, general reserve account, debit 20,000. Now, this general reserve belongs to who? This general reserve belongs to the old partners and that will be given to them in their old ratio. So, to Rajendra's capital to Surinder's capital in the old ratio. The old ratio was 4:1. So, see, we can see that it is in the ratio of 4:1. Old ratio. Okay. Now, this P&L account debit balance of 10,000 is a loss. So, it's generally shown on the asset side. Now, asset side generally have a debit balance. So, to close this account, we need to do what? We need to credit the P&L account. Okay, to close this account. And who will be debited? The old partners will be debited again in the old ratio. Okay, and this account will also be closed. So, this is it, a very simple question, topic where general reserve, P&L balances or deferred revenue expenditure. Do remember, there is no question of it, but even deferred revenue expenditures like advertisement, suspense or these type of expenditures are also to be written off in the old ratio. Okay, thank you.